Hello everyone, today's recipe is red sauce pasta. Let's begin. So first in a pan, add 4 to 5 cups of water. And let this come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, add salt to taste. And 1.5 cups of macaroni shells. You could also use penne. Give it a mix and let this boil. Cook it until it's 90% done. Our macaroni is done, strain it. Now, again in a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And let the cumin seeds splutter. Add half a teaspoon of green chilies and 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. Saute these well. Now add 1 medium-sized onions which are finely chopped. Now add 2 teaspoons of Italian seasonings. Also, you need to add your carrots or veggies of your choice like capsicum. Now, I forgot to add it now, so I'll add it after I add the tomato puree. Now I'm adding puree of 3 tomatoes. And black pepper powder, half a teaspoon. Cover and let this cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now I am adding around 1/4 cup of water. And salt to taste. Now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of red chili sauce and 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Now I'm adding 1/4 cup of chopped cheese, which are basically cubes, and plus I'm adding 1 cheese slice. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of spring onion. You could skip this and totally add 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves. Now add the boiled macaroni. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of fresh coriander. And it's ready. Now let's serve it. And it's done. Do give this recipe a try and enjoy.